What is up, Mr. Crazy1870, and obviously you guys know that I picked up a PS5, so once you pick up a PS5, the next thing that you might want to consider is picking up some really good headphones to get in the zone of your whole gaming experience. So here I have the Turtle Beach Stealth 700 Gen 2. So this is the actual box right here. Although they are a little bit hard to find at your local retail store, just for the simple fact that because everybody, you know, is on the whole gaming tip right now, for the simple fact that, I mean, I don't know, PS5 just came out and everybody is, you know, obviously the way things are right now with people, you know, pretty much the stay-at-home order and all that stuff. So they're a little bit hard to find. More of the story is they're a little bit hard to find in stores right now. But here I have them, Stealth 700 Gen 2s, which are right here. And obviously they have an all-black minimalistic design, a little bit on the plastic side when it comes to the frame and the body, but nonetheless, it's pretty thick, looks pretty solid. Got the Turtle Beach logo on both cups. And in the actual box, they include a USB Type-C charging cable, which is going to be used to charge the headset. You also have this USB transmitter, which works well with the PS5 right out of the box. So if we look at the top of the actual headband, you do have some Turtle Beach branding at the top. And the way you throw these on is, I really don't see any right and left, even though I am a little bit blind, more like a lot blind. But the way you throw these on is like this. So I hope you guys get a feel how they look and whatnot. I still think they look pretty cool. All blacked out, I think they look pretty cool. Maybe other colors would also be pretty dope. I'm not sure if they have other colors. I think there's only one more color available, but I'm not 100% sure. So here at the top, you do have a pretty solid, thick metal band at the top, which looks pretty thick, pretty solid. But once again, I'm not gonna say they're gonna be unbreakable. I mean, if you leave these on the floor and one of the kids or you accidentally step on it, I mean, I'm pretty sure they are gonna break. No ifs, ands, or buts. So if you do pick these up, make sure you get some insurance on them, because again, it's always good to be safe than sorry. So these are also fully adjustable, obviously, to your headband. Little clicks, you can also hear little clicks to adjust to your head. So obviously, if I have them like that, it's too small. So what I do is I'll go ahead and just maybe 2-3 notches down. Still too small. 2 more notches down. Boom. And then these should be good now. See, pretty comfortable, pretty solid, perfectly my size. So again, the headband's pretty solid. Once again, pretty solid and thick metal frame and hinge at the top of the actual headband. Now these are, what are they called? I think gel infused cushions, which I must say that these are really, really comfortable, and they lay flat against your ears, very solid and very softly against your ears. So honestly, right out of the box, I probably gamed for about an hour and a half, and I didn't feel any type of discomfort or anything when it came to my ears. And obviously they're glasses friendly, so you know, I wear glasses because if not, I won't see. So obviously I was rocking it with my glasses, and again, any type of discomfort or anything like that, they didn't annoy me as far as the comfort. So as far as comfort for me, they were 100%. I was really happy with the actual comfort. They just lay against your ears, very nice and soft. And again, I didn't feel my ears warm or anything like that for wearing them for long periods of time. Now, I'm not gonna sit here and say that I've tested them out 3 hours, 4 hours at a time, because again, you know, I got things to do. I really can't sit in front of a TV or game for 4 hours straight, because again, I got kids, I got things to do. So, but again, I did test them out for an hour, hour and a half. My ears did not feel warm. They did not feel uncomfortable. And just the whole comfort and fit, these are 100% for me. So I'm gonna give you a quick little tour. So here at the bottom is where all your controls are gonna be located at. So the first button is your mode button. The center button is your power button. So if you long press that,
battery level high.
so it's gonna go ahead. Once you turn these on, it's gonna give you the battery level notification. So that's the middle button. And if the top button is your Bluetooth button, so that's gonna go ahead and put it into Bluetooth mode in order for you to kind of link this up with your console. And you also have your little knobs right here. One is for your mic, which obviously you can adjust your mic control, and you also have another one that adjusts the volume of the actual sound coming from the headset. So this is the front end of the headset. So when you throw these on, you throw them on like that. This is the back end right here. So when you throw these on, you throw them on like this. Okay, so all your buttons and controls are to the left hand side right here. So very easy to access. Got your wheels, you got your buttons here at the bottom. You could pretty much access your different types of EQ modes on the actual headset as well. So everything is located on the left hand side. And you guys are probably wondering, well, where's the mic? So the mic is hidden to the left hand side as well. So when you want to go ahead and activate the microphone or pretty much access it, boom, boom. That right there is your microphone. So right there is obviously the microphone is activated and it's fully active. Now if you want to go ahead and mute, boom, that's mute right there. So if you don't want none of your friends or whoever you're gaming with hear what's going on, or your mom yelling at you or your wife yelling at you to get your ass up and wash the dishes, this is the mode that you want to be in. Now if you want to go ahead and pretty much put the microphone away, boom. Full mic activation right there. Mute, put away. As far as the mic quality, I really cannot give you a mic quality test because I'm not really fully set up to record some kind of gameplay footage or anything like that as of yet. But with my experience, there was no complaints on the other end while gaming. But as far as audio quality, I think these are really, really dope because it has two settings that are my favorite. One of them is the 3D audio advantage, which is surround sound. That's gonna give you really, really nice surround sound type of effect. But another one of my favorite is the Superhuman Hearing, which again, the detail that comes within that setting is really dope. While playing Cold War, there's been situations where I could hear enemies or footsteps really kind of far and also really close. So there was times where I would kind of turn around because I think that they're like literally in back of me. So I would turn around and I wouldn't know like which direction they're at. But once again, the detail that comes within that setting is really, really dope. There's also a app-based audio customization, which you could download the Turtle Beach app on your device and customize the settings and audio and EQ settings when it comes to these headsets. So all in all, definitely worth it in my book if you're looking to pick up a really solid, well-featured, all-around, good sounding pair of gaming headset. These are definitely something that you want to consider, and I'm pretty sure that you're not going to be disappointed. I didn't encounter any type of issues with the Bluetooth connection or anything like that. Once again, definitely worth looking into. Very solid headphones, all around, fully featured. Most importantly, they sound good. 20 hours of battery life, according to Turtle Beach. Very good sounding. Mic works good. And once again, there's definitely a lot that you could customize within their app as well. So if you have the opportunity to pick these up, I will leave the link down in the video description. Feel free to add me at MoEzy529. MoEzy529. I will leave that information down below, which is my PlayStation Network ID. You want to go ahead and game? Let's go ahead and play some Cold War or whatever it is that you guys want to play. I'm down with whatever. But I also picked up The Astro A50s. Now these are super premium, coming in at about $300 and something. Now, these are not advertised that they work with the PS5 as of right now, but there is a workaround with that. I will have a video up very soon featuring these working with the PS5 with a purchase of another device. Now again, I'm not 100% sure if these are worth picking up now, but once again, stay tuned for that video and I'll give you guys all the information that you guys need. So don't forget to check out the site looneytechtv.com. Follow me on all my social media. You can find me all that on the website. Add me on PSN. Any questions, hit me up. Catch you guys on the next one. Later.